Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the upcoming week game plan. And I have a few stocks here that I would like to go over with you guys that I see potential and have some high probability setups for next week. Okay, so let's start off with SPY. SPY has been holding this trend line right here on the daily, on majority of the time frames. The key level that we were paying attention to is this 385 right here. And in the past 2 days or the last two trading days, we've broken and we could potentially see 390. So that's why I'm setting up a level right there. We made highs of 388.47. So as long as we're making new highs, the rest of our watch list should see new highs. Unless we get some bad news on a specific stock, we should be good to go. Tesla. Okay. So what I like about Tesla here, let me hop into the 4-hour chart. What I like about Tesla here is it's been holding this 833 range, and we could potentially see it make new highs. The price overall, the last key level that we had on a weekly level was a 700. And even though we did dip and touch 780s, we still managed to get bought back up and stay above 800. And we have a little bit of indecision. So by Monday, we have to have a decision whether it goes up or down. So let's see how that plays out for Tesla. Next thing on my watch is snow. We did have an overall downtrend, as you guys could see, but now people are starting to become more excited, and we had a couple of rejections at the 311 level, 310, 311 level. So what I'm looking for on the upcoming week is a continuation of this move towards the upside. I don't have any levels between 342 and 311. I'll just be paying attention to rejection through price action, and that's where I would plan on exiting if it does do that. What else we have? We have Fcel. So this is another stock that was on my radar. I think it has a lot of potential. We did break out towards the upside on on Thursday, but what I'm looking for, it wasn't a strong enough move. I'm looking for the break of 25, where last time it really got rejected. I think this is all-time highs for the stock. If we do break out that 25 level, I'm expecting a strong move towards the upside. So you could enter this for a day trade or a scalp. It'll work either or. What else we have? CCIV. Okay, so a lot of money has been piling up into EV. And what's showcasing here is a lot of indecision, but the price overall is pushing up, and we got a wedge where a lot of sellers are sitting around 35, 36. So what I'm looking for on Monday is a nice break of 36, where a lot of these sellers are sitting at, and boom, you're in the trade for a day trade or another scalp. We have a lot of upside plays for this week. If you're playing downside, I'll be focusing on only scalping towards the downside and no day trades. Roku, this thing is a monster too. What happened here is we're pushing up. We had a nice retest of some levels, and we're pushing back up towards all-time highs. Obviously, another scalp or day trade above all-time highs. Level I'm really paying attention to is the 442.8. I might start a position around there for some upside plays. Neo. Okay, so this is what's going on with Neo. We recently made all-time highs, and now the stock is just taking a break. But what I'm liking is we're holding this 54.3 level as a level of support. So every time the price gets around this area, we are, a lot of people are buying up the stock and supporting it. They're willing to pay that price for it. On the yellow trend line, though, we are getting a lot of sellers who are stepping in. Now, it doesn't have to be this week, or it could be this week, but if we do break down below or make a push above 60, I think we'll potentially see all-time highs again and either make new highs or we push down and retest some more levels. And that goes for Neo. Apple, so same thing. It's creeping up on a wedge. It's been on an uptrend since last earnings. Really couldn't hold above 139. So it's supposed to be making a decision within the next few days, plus a lot of EV hype and things of that nature. So a break of 139, I would be looking to start a position. At 145, I'll be looking to enter my full position. Next one is Netflix. We had earnings recently. The stock pushed up, right? Then a lot of people, sellers brought the stock down below this weekly level of 560. And now we're holding up. We identified an uptrend with the yellow trend line, and we identified sellers. Now, price action is being forced into a war. We either drop or pop, but from what it's looking like, we're likely to see a drop. This was just a break for the stock. Nothing goes in one direction the whole way. So yeah, the stock was just taking a break now. Disney is another one that's on watch. So what happened is we had Investors Day. Things came out good. It's been chopping around since, and it's finally picked up momentum. We have that 184.13 break. If we're able to do that, we'll see new all-time highs. And the last two stocks on my watch is SQ. Been holding up this uptrend, being forced into a level. Nice little wedge. Same thing, 242. Be looking to start a position above 246, above 247. I'll be looking to enter my full position. Obviously, these are mostly upside plays. If we do get downside plays, I'll be focusing on only scalping. And last but not least, Snapchat also had earnings. That's why we pushed up. I want to see if it could hold this momentum. 55 has been a strong level of resistance, and we just broke right through it by 10 points. So looking for a continuation move on this one. And that's it for the upcoming weekly watch. I hope you guys enjoy your day, and later, everybody.